Hi there. I'm Mary Ellen and this is my YouTube channel Life is Messy but I am learning as I grow. Here you can find over 1,000 DIY crafts, recipes, garden tips, family-friendly fun and travel, and cat shorts of my cats Cotton, Lucifer and Typo. Around here we ditch perfection and embrace the mess, because in life's messes we learn and grow. Most of my videos come with a side of spills, burnt fingers from the glue gun, and an occasional cat walking through the shot. Together we're always celebrating something, whether it's a holiday or just the fact that I got through a craft without glitter in my coffee. From festive DIY decor to seasonal treats, there's always a reason to break out the hot glue gun and have a little fun. And if you've got an instant pot or air fryer gathering dust, I'll help you to enjoy using them. I bring all of this to you with a light-hearted learn-as-you-go approach. So if you're into creative chaos, cozy vibes, and learning right alongside me, hit that subscribe button and let's make some messy memories together. Fall is here and you know what that means. Apples, apples, and more apples. Whether you just went apple picking, grabbed a big bag from the store, or you have a tree full of them, this quick and cozy caramel apple dip is the perfect way to enjoy them. It's sweet, creamy, completely dairy-free, and comes together in just a few minutes. Plus, it's a huge hit for Halloween parties, fall movie nights, or just when you want something fun to snack on with the family. The ingredients you will need are 6 to 8 crisp apples washed and sliced, half a cup maple syrup, half a cup coconut oil, solid or melted, half a teaspoon vanilla extract, 4 tablespoon peanut butter. Optional toppings, chopped peanuts, or mini chocolate chips, crushed pretzels. Wait till you see how easy this is to make. Start by washing and slicing your apples. Optional. To prevent browning, toss slices in cold water with a splash of lemon juice, then pat dry. In a microwave-safe bowl, add half a cup maple syrup and half a cup coconut oil. Microwave 1 minute on high. If your microwave runs hot, start with 45 seconds. Whisk until the coconut oil is fully melted and the mixture looks glossy. Stir in half a teaspoon vanilla extract. Add 4 tablespoon peanut butter and whisk until completely blended and silky. Serve warm with apple slices. The dip thickens as it cools. If it gets too firm, microwave 10 to 15 seconds and stir. Pour into a serving bowl. Sprinkle chopped peanuts on top if using. Store in an airtight container in the fridge for 5 to 7 days. Warm briefly before serving. Switch this recipe up by using almond butter, cashew butter, or sunflower seed butter for peanut-free. And there you have it. A sweet, creamy, plant-based caramel apple dip that's ready in minutes and guaranteed to disappear just as fast. Whether you're making it for a fall party, a Halloween get-together, or just a cozy night in, it's one of those treats that feels special without a ton of work. Plus, it's easy enough for the kids to help make, which makes it even more fun. So grab those apples, whip up a batch, and enjoy every sticky, delicious bite. Thank you so much for creating something special with me today. Let me know how you liked this video with a thumbs up or down. And if you didn't love it, feel free to leave a kind comment to help me improve. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. If you're not sure what to do now, watch one of my other videos. I have over 1,000 for you to choose from. Follow me on Facebook and my Pinterest page, or check out my website. Links to all of that and more can be found in this video's description. In life's messes we learn and grow. So get messy and keep learning and growing. I will see you again soon.